Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you the current hiring in Amazon. Amazon is hiring for virtual customer service, and the locations is Pune and Punjab. It's a work-from-home opportunity, and the package would be 3.5 LPA. As an Amazon customer service associate, you have a very clear purpose: to prevent issues, solve queries, and delight our customers. You'll be the first point of contact for our customers by answering their requests through phone, chat, or email. This includes everything from order and product questions to payment matters and website guidance. One of the great things about joining Amazon's customer service team is that you don't need past experience in customer service. You'll receive training and be provided with a complete equipment package when you join. Additionally, we offer a number of benefits, including medical insurance, pension plan, internet allowance, lifestyle benefits, and retail discounts through our Amazon Extras program, expert training, and ongoing opportunities to learn more and develop your skills. What qualifications do you need? Minimum age, 18 years old. Have the right to work in India. Strong communication skills in English, both written and oral fluency. Experience working with a computer. The availability to work varying shifts from Monday to Sunday within the operating hours of 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. Willingness and ability to work in rotating shifts early, late, overnight, weekend, and overtime as required. You'll need a quiet, distraction-free workspace, dedicated office space with a desk and chair. From a technical perspective, a minimum broadband connection of 100 megabytes download speed and 10 MP upload speed using a hardwire Ethernet internet connection, no Wi-Fi. Fresher and experienced both are eligible to apply. Currently working and studying candidates are not eligible to apply. In this role, there will be an online assessment and one HR video interview. And if you successfully clear both the rounds, then Amazon provide you the offer letter before the joining. Amazon provides a complete computer system to work from your home, so you don't need to travel anywhere because it's a work-from-home opportunity. And if you want to clear the assessment and HR round, I can provide you the answers PDF and you can easily clear it. So many already joined Amazon with the help of my PDF, and if you want to watch assessment video, you can join this channel through join button and watch the exclusive videos. And for more information regarding assessment or anything, you can interact with me on my Instagram. Link is in description box. To apply this role, you can check out the link in description box. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more job updates. Thanks for the love and support.